Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making goat meat pepper soup. Put some onion, some seasoning, some salt, crayfish, some habanero pepper, cover, now you can go in with a cup of water. Cover and let it boil. So I'm going to go in with some shark fish, cover. So at this point you're going to boil it until the goat meat and the shark fish is soft enough. Okay. So I'm going to go in with some palm oil, some prawns, some salt, some scent leaves, more water, cover and let it boil. I'm going to go in with a little bit of crayfish, more crayfish. So right now we're just going to let it boil and then this pepper soup is ready. So guys, this pepper soup is ready. Thank you so much guys for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very beautiful day. Bye bye.